Okay, so here's a really quick tutorial on how to share your infographics that you create in a free Venngage account. What you want to do is sign in, click on the infographic that you want to share. This is the one I want to share. You're going to hit edit. All right, while you're waiting for that to open up, you are going to see across the top you've got publish, share, download settings. Not all of these are available to you if you have a free account. Publish is. You need to publish your infographic if you want to share your infographics. You're going to hit publish. Once you hit publish, you're going to go to this URL right here. And okay, now you've just published your infographic. Up here, if you highlight this, this is what you need in order to embed a hyperlink in an email or on Blackboard or whatever you may have. That's it.